In this video, we'll go over the AI-powered reporting feature. This tool allows you to instantly gain insights into your team's productivity and firm performance. Our reporting feature offers customizable analytics to enhance data-driven decision-making. It provides statistics on the firm's invoices, time entries, jobs, tasks, and pipelines. Use your preferred form of visualization, such as graphs, charts, or pivot tables, to extract data and address your specific questions. Reporting is available to the firm owner, admin, and to selected team members. To access it, go to the Reporting tab on the left menu bar and explore two types of dispatches: reports, which are specific reports based on data you select, and dashboards, a set of answers for broad research. Let's delve into our pre-built dashboards, of which there are 4 types. Revenue Monitor. Explore analytics based on your invoices and learn everything about the firm's revenue flow. This dashboard includes information about paid revenue, weekly paid revenue by customer, tag, service, and both tag and customer simultaneously. Second, tasks and jobs assignments. This dashboard provides details for task management based on your workflow, such as tasks completed weekly, tasks completed by assignee, planned and done work. Next, time utilization. Understand what's happening with billable time in your firm based on time entries. Here you can find data regarding smallest utilization rates, utilization rate and total hours by week, employee utilization rate, and client's utilization rate. And finally, capacity planning. This dashboard compares the job time budget with the actual time spent. Here, you can find reports on time variance by account, time variance by assignee, and time variance by pipeline. You can use these pre-built dashboards as they are, filter and customize them to suit your needs. Simply copy the dashboard of your choice and edit every widget on it. TaxDome reporting is empowered with AI search, providing you with answers and specific visualizations in just a few clicks. The AI engine understands human language, analyzes your query based on your selected source, and presents you with an answer. Type any data you need to analyze into the search field of the overview page, for example, revenue by customer this year, and the AI engine will automatically provide you with answers. You can export or download reports to a spreadsheet or other formats, and much more. You can also create your own customized reports in the Report Designer section. Use specific keywords for in-depth data searches. Data search is more technical, providing you with more options. However, you can always revert to AI search, which understands your every query.